Release what no longer serves you. When we are aware of something, of our thoughts, emotions, people that are hurting us, those are in our conscious awareness. But what about the subconscious thoughts? That means people, thoughts, and emotions that we are not aware about because we have forgotten them. We have forgotten those experiences that hurt us, but we still have it inside us, in our subconscious memory. We are aware of it, but not consciously. Such emotions, sadness, the pain, how do we release that pain that is subconsciously inside us? I just saw a butterfly. Yeah, cute. When I see something like that, it means that I am doing something right. Connecting with my intuition, that is a sign that my guides are supporting me, that I am on the right path. So, whenever you see such synchronicities, repeating numbers, know that you are on the right path and subconsciously you are aware that where you need to go. And meditation helps a lot in connecting with that subconscious mind. So, the subconscious thoughts, emotions, people that we are unaware about, that is what we are going to be releasing today. Like food becomes part of our body, just like that, what we hear, what we see becomes a part of our reality. What we hear and see influences how we think, how we speak. All of that creates our experiences. That means all of your senses are the reason that you are creating a particular experience. Some people might tell you very complex ways of releasing what is subconsciously hidden. But releasing is as simple as giving a command to yourself. That means you have the power. It might take a few attempts for some of the people because we do not believe that it is that easy. Otherwise, it is as easy as a single command. And your body will start responding to every conscious thought, emotion, whatever you hear, whatever you speak, whatever you think, your body will start responding to it. That means we are reprogramming the subconscious mind. So, this is how you can do it. Number one thing is meditation is very important. I try to do it every day. Before meditating, set intention. So, this is the intention that I set. If I want to release something, I release this person, this experience, this reality. I let go of this energy that keeps attracting this experience. I release the energy that doesn't align with my higher self. This way, you are pulling your energy inwards and attracting another reality. Say these words in whatever language that you are comfortable in your own voice, your own words, if you want to make it a bit different. This will be your version. All of this will reprogram your subconscious mind. So, if you are experiencing a painful relationship, you want to release it, release that experience, that person that is hurting you. If you have money issues, release the thoughts that keep you stuck in that cycle, that you are not worthy of receiving that wealth. Release those thoughts. If your health is not good, what are the thoughts? What are the beliefs that are keeping you stuck in that? This was going inward. Now, going outward. Write down three things that keep you stuck in this energy, in this experience, with those people that keep you stuck in this cycle. For example, what is keeping me stuck in this relationship? What am I attracted to in this person? Whatever I am attracted to in this person is what I want to have with myself. So I will write that I will have this kind of relationship with myself so that I am able to release him. What is keeping me attached to this person? The love, the attention he gives me. I am going to give that love and attention to myself. The dates I want with this person, I will take myself on these dates. Whatever is keeping you stuck with this person, do it for yourself. There are a few reasons that you want this. You want this reality. What if you create that reality for yourself? If there are money issues, what is keeping me stuck in this cycle? Why am I unable to attract wealth? We are attracting this reality because of our past experiences. Because of those experiences, we made some beliefs. It is difficult to make money. Only rude people or egoistic people have money. Shift all of that within you. These things are keeping you stuck. This is what you are going to release. Command yourself every day. Do the opposite of what you will do when you were in this reality. Do what a person would do who already has what you want. Embody the energy of the person who already has the ideal relationship that you want, who already has the wealth you want. That is the energy you want to embody. Another thing, what keeps you stuck in this cycle, in this reality that you don't want? It is the lower energies. It is the energy of sadness, the energy of greed, the energy of anger, hatred, jealousy, all of those lower energies. That is what you need to release. So, I'm not saying that you have to be in that energy all the time because, of course, we are human beings. We get angry, we get jealous. It is okay. But whenever you are in that energy, take some time to yourself, take some time off, take a break. Remind yourself that being in those higher energies, the higher vibrations of love, peace, contentment, those are the energies that will help you attract abundance. The fear will only keep you stuck in that cycle. That higher version is already embodying the higher energies. So you just have to tap into those higher energies. Tap into your highest version, the version that is filled with love, abundance, that knows you are worthy. Tap into that energy. And after a few attempts, it will become a habit. It will be natural for you to attract it. If you like watching all this content, do like, share, and subscribe, and let's stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.